Hey there, it's Steve Clementson from DaddyDaughterKitchen.com, or I guess the former DaddyDaughterKitchen.com, because this is going to be the last video for Daddy Daughter Kitchen. Before I get into where I've been and where we're headed, I just want to say thank you to all of the subscribers that have stuck around, stayed subscribed for the last 4 years of me producing absolutely zero content. It has been a really weird, sort of crazy period of time in my life over the last handful of years, both professionally and personally, and I wasn't in the right place to be making cooking videos. I'd actually hit a point probably around 6 months ago where I was at the worst place I have ever been in my life, physically and emotionally. I was really kind of a wreck. Physically, I was up to 227 pounds. My health was pretty bad. And I spent the last handful of months really kind of getting that squared away. As part of that, I lost 50 pounds, and I did that largely through the ketogenic diet. And while doing that, I also really rediscovered my passion for cooking. So many of the videos out on YouTube around the keto diet and keto recipes are sort of quick and dirty, easy type stuff that really seem designed more for convenience rather than people that actually enjoy cooking. So I have decided to create a channel called Serious Keto. This is keto for people who are serious about cooking. I want to make recipes that don't seem keto, that just seem delicious. I have upgraded my video equipment, my lighting, my sound equipment, everything, and I'm ready to start making new cooking videos. Hopefully Courtney will join us again. Last time you saw her, she was just a little girl. Now she's grown up. She's a woman. She's headed off to college. Same thing with my son Connor. He's gotten all big. He's bigger than me, and he'll probably be joining us for some videos as well. So if you enjoyed the content from Daddy Daughter Kitchen and would like to see more in terms of recipes, product reviews, ingredient reviews, tips, techniques, I promise you I'm going to be kicking out content on a very regular basis, a couple videos a week at least. I'd love to have you come along for the ride. So please, the link to Serious Keto is below. I won't be able to set a custom channel until I've got 100 subscribers, so you can help me out with that. Come on over to Serious Keto, click that subscribe button, click the bell so you get notified as I'm creating videos, and hey, thanks for watching.